Good afternoon, doctor. Good afternoon, Miss Sarah. How may I help you? I have been suffering from fever for the last 2 days. I have a runny nose. Last night, I had trouble breathing and a continuous fit of coughing. Do you sweat and shiver? Not sweating, but I feel slightly cold. What about your taste and appetite? I have a bitter taste and I don't feel like taking any food. The doctor touches the forehead to feel the temperature. You have a moderate fever. Let me check your temperature. Not too high. It's 99.8. Did you take any sour things or icy drinks? Patient says little apologetically. Yes, doctor. A couple of days earlier, I had chilled lemonade. Since then, I feel my throat a bit scruffy. So this is how the problem started. But don't be upset. Everything will be all right. Yes, doctor, it has been quite awful since then. Let me check your blood pressure. Your blood pressure is absolutely fine. Have you taken any medicine? Yes, I took aspirin whenever I felt cold and body aches. I am prescribing 2 medicines and a syrup. I've also mentioned how many times in the day you have to take them. I'm sure you'll be recovered soon. Thank you so much, doctor, for your kind concern in regard to my health and providing me with good medicine and timely medical care. Pleasure is all mine. Avoid sour, fried, or very spicy food items. Gargle with hot saline water frequently. Come back in case the problem persists. Definitely. Goodbye. Thank you so much.